Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be cleaning my house and I wanted to take you along with me to have that, part of my life. I saw a lot of videos, and tell me if and tell me if you, or comment if when you see videos of people cleaning their house, it just makes you motivated to clean and stuff like that. So that actually happened to me today. Also, I went ahead with my husband to decorate our tree. It brings us back to San Diego. We love the holidays. And just keep watching if you like this. Again, like it and tell your friends about me. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hi guys, so right here I'm just dusting everything with the Lysol wipes. Again, none of these products that I will mention or you'll see on screen are sponsored. Obviously I'm starting my YouTube channel, so none of this is actually sponsored, but these are things that work for my family and economically. They are very cheap, but just keep watching. Right here I'm just dusting everything and just the TV and the furniture, and it seems like it's fast, that you clean, but it actually took me like 2 hours to clean. That is me drinking coffee during the day. My husband came for lunch and brought me some Starbucks, so that gave me motivation to clean, and I hope I can clean as fast as I'm cleaning in this video. To clean for you guys. Obviously this is me on a daily cleaning. That is Harper, guys. She is 2 months now. For you guys are new to my channel, I have 3 babies and they are my world, and right now she's just loving her swing and just loving seeing the tree. That's why I put her there, just because she loves the lights and she gets entertained. And right here I'm just cleaning my kitchen. So my living room and my kitchen are basically together, so I tend to clean fast, more than normal if I had my living room and my dining area in different room, but they're together. So I also went ahead and bought some stockings that I still haven't put up, and right here you'll just see me clean, and just keep watching. So right here guys, I'm just sweeping, and you will see my son's crumbs. He ate some lunch and he loves to destroy his food. So yeah, we're just sweeping. I don't have a vacuum or any fancy sweeping, like the iRobot or the Shark, but this is what works for me right now, and I'm so used to doing this. And maybe one day I'll get used to getting a fancy sweeping system, but as in right now, this is what I like, and just keep watching. After I'm done with the first section of the kitchen, I will go in and clean everything with the wipes from the Lysol I had said earlier. Right here I'm just cleaning my coffee station. I love coffee or anything to do with matcha. And maybe if you guys like, I can do a video of how to do your own matcha or how to do a nice coffee that is not expensive. Right here I'm taking the candles from fall, and then I realized I can just put them in the box for fall and put the new candles, which I got at Target. They were like $3, so you guys should go check Target out. Their dollar section is amazing, especially in Hawaii, because we don't have anything that has any Dollar Tree or anything like that. Right here I'm using my favorite soap. Again, nothing's sponsored, but I love the smell of that company. And right here I'm just gonna start washing my dishes. I put some in the dishwasher, some are not dishwasher safe, so right here I'm just trying to put as many as I can, just because with kids you just have to speed the time and see what works for you. My cabinets are not that clean or organized, but I try. Right here I'm just cleaning and washing the dishes that I prefer washing by hand. I still wash by hand, but some just it's fast in the dishwasher. So right here I'm putting like some it's actually a dress that I didn't want, and I'm using it to clean my cabinets. It's actually with a wood spray that makes your wood a little shinier. It works for me. It's not that expensive. I will link down below the products, but again, they're not sponsored. It's just what works for me, and they're very inexpensive. Also, it's very practical to have like the long sleeve. If you cut it down, they will work perfectly for your hands to clean everything. And basically, trust me, it's like a hack that I just invented, or I don't know, maybe other people do it, but it works for me. Right here I'm just drying all the ones I washed earlier, and putting them in the cabinets. And here we are just cleaning again with my little rag I made. I also buy some rags, but I feel like I work better with clothes that I just don't need anymore. It's just working for me at the moment. So I'm going old school on you guys. I do use a bucket and a mop to mop all my floors. My whole house is full of floor, so it gets exhausting. So I do this twice a week just because it's tiring with 3 kids. Again, I had mentioned that before, but you know, time consuming, and the kids also need my attention, so I try not to do it every day. But yes, it is a workout, so I feel like I am trying to lose weight and I'm working out, cleaning basically. And I use 2, so I use the Swiffer, and then I use one that I bought at Walmart for like $5. But this helps me. And here are my kids. She's not just watching TV in the computer, she's actually learning, just because in Hawaii they don't have preschool for free, so she is getting some programs from the computer. And my son is just playing with the chairs. So he's done eating, and obviously I'm mopping, so I don't want him to fall or hurt his head or anything. So I have to keep him there because he is my little troublemaker, but he's my sunshine. And my daughter's just learning, like I said, and I think she noticed that I was actually recording. So you guys will see her probably talk to you guys. I noticed that she wanted to say hi to you guys, but yeah, so just keep watching. Like I said, I'm almost done, so it's exciting when you are almost done mopping, because I don't know if that happens to you guys when you guys mop. For me, it's kind of a happy situation just because I'm almost done with the house. Again, I'm just cleaning the living room, and today I did the play area and the kitchen, but I have an upstairs. If you guys comment below, maybe I can clean the upstairs and show you guys some tips what works for me. Right here she's just talking, saying welcome to my channel. She thinks it's hers, which it is because she comes out, and Noah's just like wondering when is he gonna get out. And yeah, so usually I put some music, I put some worship music to help me meditate in the word and just prayer, and just, you know, God making me, you know, motivate to be a better mom, a better wife, and a better daughter, and a better sister. So this helps me think of, you know, time goes by super fast. Right here, guys, I'm just cleaning my kids' area. It is a mess. This is a daily struggle. My kids will dirty their play area 10 times a day. So I will clean it, and then at the end of the day I will tell them to clean. I mean, obviously I clean the most part, and I will sweep and then mop and let it dry. Once it's dry, I'll let them play again. And yeah, that's pretty much the day. And I will keep just cleaning until Daddy gets go home. I'm done sweeping everything. I will go into the bathroom and just retouch it, just because I clean every day. It's just super easy to clean. Usually I do my deep cleanings on the weekends when my husband's here, when he's home, just because he can help me with the kids. And here it is, all clean for you guys. And I'm excited for the holidays. Comment and like to see who's excited for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh,